Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yeah. And today, guys, we're here with Octane, Fireball, khago this. Say no, the war is on. The war is on. Big up both artists who put it on a show. I say this in every reaction because I truly mean it. You know? So, sorry I'm about, 9 hours late, but I was busy doing other things. So, we're here now. We're here. So, let's jump in this one and see where the G have set. So, khago, Sky God. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, guys. Subscribe around there if you're new, man. Come on, man. Help out your G, man. Let's go.
How them? When the bomber clad get them, frost gun. Where do I go? How we run, boy, yeah? I tell you, only fuck me for you walk up with gun when now fire. Now laugh fire, gruesome as some dark aya.
Or the fuck me for you walk up with gun when now fire. Like, that don't make no sense. That is not in my, that is not my style. Me on a 666, me not pose with no gun like that.
Where do I go? How we run, boy, yeah? I tell you, only fuck me for you walk up with gun when now fire. Now laugh fire, gruesome as some dark aya. The burn of them light up like pot the pan fire. Bullet shock in your ass, call it the bonfire.
Yo!
Fuck me for you walk up with gun when now fire. Now laugh fire, gruesome as some dark aya. The burn of them light up like pot the pan fire. Bullet shock in your ass, call it the bonfire.
The burner them light up like pot to the pan fire. The burner. You see? The burner. Not the stove burner, not the cooker, you know. Like pot to the pan fire, them light up. Hot.
Yeah, the burner them light up like pot the pan fire. Bullet shock in your ass, call it the bonfire. Touch I go somebody last fire. And I'm a me a rap round here, the barbed wire.
Touch brother, gruesome brother. And a maca me a wrap around your head. This is no maca. And a Jesus with them hang on the cross this. No!
Touch I go somebody last fire. And I'm a me a rap round here, the barbed wire.
Yo, and a maca me say me a wrap around your head. You deaf? A barbed wire. Torture. Criminal intent. Criminal intent. Rude.
Touch I go somebody last fire. And I'm a me a rap round here, the barbed wire. Fuck up the road, we laugh, cock it down fire. Murder the dirty bastard, ya won't fool them, fool ya. Make we murder them, yabba do ya.
Make ow fool them like a Flintstones, ya. Ow fool Barney. Ow fool Fred. Make we murder them, yabba do ya. Ow fool them.
Dirty bastard, ya won't fool them, fool ya. Make we murder them, yabba do ya. Cartoon pussy them, baby war soda. Rifle ball kicking on them head like Maluda.
Yeah, baby warrior depan, brother. Baby warrior depan. Me depan them like a soda warrior, me G. Me don't tell that already. So what you say? Rifle ball kicking in head like Maluda. Got their research. Bad footballer.
Cartoon pussy them, baby war soda. Rifle ball kicking on them head like Maluda. Can fish tuna, what take them fool ya. Make we murder them, yabba do ya. Cartoon pussy them, baby war soda. Rifle ball kick up in the head like Maluda. Can fish tuna.
So, in the last one, when them do no chorus, that was just lyrics, no melody. In another one, yeah, him give a melody, him say, yo, listen, I choose not to give you no melody in a no chorus because it's no chorus for a reason. But I choose not to go no melody. So similarly, yeah.
Baby one soda, rifle ball kick up in the head like Maluda. Can fish tuna. Pussy stuff tell me about and I live behind people blood clot. Name lift up the rifle of a bullet blood clot.
So tell me about who?
Them baby one soda, rifle ball kick up in the head like Maluda. Can fish tuna. Pussy stuff tell me about and I live behind people blood clot. Name lift.
Pussy stop telling me about Dan. Me don't tell her this. Me and my own Dan. Me fire my own gun them. Me no answer to nobody. Fuck you. Stop telling me about people, G. What's wrong with you?
Maluda, can fish tuna. Pussy stuff tell me about and I live behind people blood clot. Name lift up the rifle of a bullet blood clot. Red shot boy in a blood clot. Yes, I murder it blood clot name.
And the blood clot song this. Tell a boy this is the song. Boy this make them wrong. Yeah, the blood clot song. Yes. Yeah.
Like my load, can fish tuna. Pussy stuff tell me about and I live behind people blood clot name. Lift up the rifle of the bullet blood clot rain. Shot boy in a blood clot face, a murder hit blood clot name. Bullet in a blood clot brain, and live about blood clot name. Pussy said them bad, but just see we know the blood clot. See murder people anyway, but this the car blood clot shame. Kill boy and video that me gun them love blood clot fame. Scoop them blood clot.
Yo, the man say, yo, listen, me kill boy and feed that. Yo, it love fame. Me gun them love fame. So me do. Me kill boy and video that with no apology. No apology. No.
Name lift up the rifle of the bullet blood clot rain. Shot boy in a blood clot face, a murder hit blood clot name. Bullet in a blood clot brain, and live about blood clot name. Pussy said them bad, but just see we know the blood clot see. Murder people anyway, but this the car blood clot shame. Kill boy and video that me gun them love blood clot fame. Scope them anyway, accurate blood clot aim. Puff, head a bust, chest and leg a broke. Rifle them tall like building, Pegasus eagle.
Yo, am I chopping up? Really, am I chopping that one in the dog? So me not want to take that one a lighting on. Rhythm a chopping. Lyrics are chop. I mean, sorry, not rhythm. Lyrics are chop. Lyrics are chop, man.
Pussy stuff tell me about and I live behind people blood clot name. Lift up the rifle of the bullet blood clot rain. Shot boy in a blood clot face, a murder hit blood clot name. Bullet in a blood clot brain, and live about blood clot name. Pussy said them bad, but just see we know the blood clot see. Murder people anyway, but this the car blood clot shame. Kill boy and video that me gun them love blood clot fame. Scope them anyway, accurate blood clot aim. Puff, head a bust, chest and leg a broke. Rifle them tall like building, Pegasus eagle.
Rifle them tall like building, Pegasus. You know, a skyscraper. Tall, man.
Them anyway, accurate blood clot aim. Puff, head a bust, chest and leg a broke. Rifle them tall like building, Pegasus eagle. We pine pan boy that measure up pussy shot. They that don't tell no who fool them fool ya. Make we murder them yabba do ya. Cartoon pussy them baby war soda. Rifle ball kicking on them head like Maluda. Can fish tuna what take them fool ya. Make we murder them yabba do ya. Cartoon pussy them baby war soda. Rifle ball kick up in our head like Maluda. Can fish tuna. What the fuck if you walk up with gun when I fire? Now laugh fire, gruesome summer dark higher. The burn of them light up like pot the pan fire. Bullet shock in your ass, call it the ball fire. Dark fire, gruesome body last fire. And the back of me a rap round here, the barbed wire. Fuck up the road, we laugh, cock it on fire. Murder the dirty bastard, you won't fool them, fool ya.
On not send a rhythm I go get khago too. Octane, you not send a rhythm make khago drop something on the rhythm too.
We murder them yabba do ya. Cartoon pussy them baby war soda. Rifle ball kicking on them head like Maluda. Can fish tuna what take them fool ya. Make we murder them yabba do ya. Cartoon pussy them baby war soda. Rifle ball kick up in our head like Maluda. Can fish tuna.
Murder. Remember murder. Oh fuck. Yo, this body now. Yo, this mix good. Yo, Octane, big up yourself. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 music. Big up yourself. For the bad beat. The beat bad. Octane chop some lyrics, another one. Yeah. Octane chop some lyrics. Yeah, lyrics chop. Like, I'm not here to pick side. Me say that in every song when me react to. But when the song bad, the song them bad, dog. You see me? Song this bad. No joke. This bad. Hopefully khago can get a rhythm here and drop something on the rhythm too, cause we want your khago and Octane on the same rhythm. Not just the old rhythm them. We want them on the new rhythm to me. You see me? So yeah, Octane, big up yourself with G. It's chop. It wasn't to me, the only negative I've fit that one, yeah. And I did give khago a negative theme last one. Can't keep up or something like that. I forgot the title of the name. Title of the song. His last song, the chorus was a bit too rough for me. It wasn't fine mix. But this one, what me I gonna say? There wasn't no direct shots at khago because I never even hear him call him name. If him call him name in another one, yeah, then tell me. But me never hear him call him name or refer anything to him in another one. Yeah. So this one seems like a general diss song to me still, but regardless of that, it's bad. You see me? Regardless of that, it's still bad. So, big up on yourself. This time I'm going to leave the one here. Khago, the ball is in your court now. So, it's your time to answer now. So, I'll hopefully see you guys in another one day. No, not hopefully. I'm going to see you in another one day. You see me? Because you know, so we're not drop no catch. So, yo, big up on yourself. Octane, big up yourself, my G. Conquer the globe. Khago, big up yourself for the entertainment too. I appreciate it, man. Big up yourself. Alright, so I'll see you guys on the next one. For love, for love. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.